Alright, sit over here. Go on YouTube, bro. Yeah, it's gonna go on YouTube.
Oh yeah. No, you're closing that.
Yeah.
He's actually showing people you're not. You're just showing.
I'm showing you right now. Yeah. You wanna get it on YouTube or not? Right there. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, yo, you about to go to fucking jail! I'm about to go to jail!
I'm going to jail. No. We're going, boy. Oh. Bro, I'm gonna get hit. Shut up. Oh my God, God, this is insane. These bad boys.
Hello? If you are on bus, bus 7.
Yo, bus 7 though.
Bus 7.
It's not our bus here. Yeah. Yeah, let's skedaddle. We got skedaddle. Skedaddle, skedaddle.
Why are you recording me?
Yeah, me too.
Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, students who are in the Boys and Girls Club, you may be dismissed.
I'm not
Students who are in the Boys and Girls
I'm in a club
Club,
where you get to hang out with
you
old people.
also may be dismissed.
It's pretty fun if you think about it. It's pretty fun if you think about it. Yeah. This is probably the most intense thing that I've ever recorded in a long time. YouTube, YouTube channel. Yeah, YouTube channel. Because
That
was
was
Axel.
shout
Shout out to Axel. That's why. Axel McGregor.
Hey, yo, shout
Yeah,
out
do that.
to
Bus,
What's up,
are you
Randy?
ready?
We got Randy over here.
Bus number 13. Lucky 13.
Shout out Randy.
That's the best.
What's 13?
14, bus 14 is also here.
Oh my God. People are running. What? Are you running? Insanity. This is insanity, guys. This is insanity. So crowded. Yeah, I'm definitely uploading this. Okay, first of all, this is more intense. You gotta be ready.
Always gotta be ready, bro. Always
Ready?
gotta be ready.
Pop it in there. Yeah, keep it secret. I don't know what game that is actually. Yo, it's 3:28 right now. Yo, we've been here for like 23 minutes ever since the bell rang. This is probably more intense when the bell rang at the end of the day. So with that, submit some like 45 mistake. Yeah, this is This is even more intense than when the fire alarm rang, like, in like the late minutes of the school. This is even more intense than that.
For real, like,
Cause it's like, cause it's like, we're staying here longer.
ask him.
Yeah.
Last call for buses 19, 18, 15, 8, 9, 7, 13, 14, Boys and Girls Club. No other buses have arrived?
Still no buses have arrived. This is the, oh my god, this is
My
the
bus
longest-
takes less time than this.
I know, it's like, it's literally almost like 4 o'clock. Like, to be,
Yo, ask what time is it?
Is it like this?
how much you
Yeah, there's a light.
yo.
Hey, yo, that's my homework.
I know.
Is it right?
Yeah.
We had to do that yesterday, but it's a different one.
Bro, what is this?
I'm about to go subscribe to you.
Okay.
My channel name?
But what's your YouTube channel?
It's Game Road 768. Yeah, I have 42 subscribers.
Wi-Fi. How much?
I've been at
42
I got
subscribers.
LTE.
How do you spell it?
I got Wi-Fi on the go.
R actually.
VR.
Yeah, BR and then 076.
Is that your Xbox account?
Yeah.
I have your attitude already.
No.
I know I have your. You're showing my party. I
Yeah.
was playing Payday too. Yeah, I'm not making a justice video today, or a Pixagon, or I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna do another Dragon Ball Z video. I'm not sure. Yo, 7 minutes of been recording.
You guys lose it, alright? What you got? You got
Yeah. Oh, see those teachers over there?
many
Yeah.
people here?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, we're pretty much stuck here until like our bus is called. It's taking forever.
Hopefully,
I hate the snow.
Just know.
But I love it.
Yo, it should have been closed today because he knew it was gonna happen like right now.
Tomorrow should be cold though.
Yeah, because like I'm not about to deal with another delay tomorrow. Like no, I'm not doing this again because this is the longest we've ever stayed at school ever since.
I
I know.
Let's stop watching.